Hi there, this is Rachhya from Calilio, and in today's video, we are going to learn how you can add a Visa card to the Calilio app. First, head on to Settings from the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Then, under the Billing section, click on Payment Method. After that, click on this plus icon. In the dialog box that appears, enter your card credentials such as your name, your card number, the CVV number, the expiration date, the billing address, your country, the state, and the postal code. Once that's done, click on Add Card. And just like that, you've added a new card to the Calilio app, ensuring smoother billing process and enhancing your Calilio experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Thanks for watching.